Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to normalize creatinine levels. We'll dive into practical steps you can take to support your kidney health and bring those numbers into a healthy range. It's important to understand that creatinine levels reflect how well your kidneys are filtering waste from your blood. By focusing on key lifestyle changes, you can make a significant positive impact. Proper hydration is fundamental. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily unless advised otherwise by a doctor. Your diet plays a huge role too. Reducing excessive intake of red meat and other high-protein foods can significantly lessen the burden on your kidneys. Also, cutting back on sodium and processed items helps maintain healthy blood pressure, which is vital for kidney health. Engaging in moderate exercise, like a brisk 30-minute walk most days, can boost your overall well-being without overworking your kidneys. However, very intense workouts can temporarily elevate creatinine, so find a balance. It's also crucial to discuss all your medications, including over-the-counter drugs and supplements, with your healthcare provider to ensure they aren't negatively affecting your kidney function. For long-term kidney health, managing underlying conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure is paramount. Consistent monitoring through regular doctor visits and blood tests will help track your creatinine levels and overall kidney function. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to significant improvements over time. Also, for those looking to simplify healthy eating, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.